Hello, welcome. And this is the 37th exercise of Killer Coda CKS series, and it's service account token mounting. So this task is asked in the CKS examination. So it belongs to the cluster hardening pod security section, especially service account and secret exposing hardening. So what does service account token mounting means? Kubernetes automatically inject a token file into pod 8 var run secret kubernetes.io/service account token. This token allows the pod to authenticate the Kubernetes API using service account. So why the service account mounting is disabled? So if a pod is compromised, then attacker can steal the token and access the Kubernetes API, which can lead to cluster takeover. So disabling it follows the list privilege. So we can identify where in the PodML setting must be added. So first I'll clear the screen, and now I'll ls opt ks pod 1 yaml. So this YAML file is present. So we have to edit it opt ks pod 1.yaml. Here if you will see this auto mount service account token setting is not there. So we'll search this service account token. So here it is in. So we need to add it in this spec section below this. So here service account custom is already there, so we can check. So here service account name custom is already there, so we have to check because service account name custom is given, so we need to check whether this exists or not. So k get sa custom -n1. So here you will find that custom is there, so we can add, we can describe it also. So now add this auto. So let's copy it and just paste it here. Check the indentation. It's a spec, then service account name, then auto. So it's a spec service account name, and there is auto. Here is a false. So we do not we don't change anything, and wq apply the modified to the namespace 1. So we need to, once again I'll check whether it is a namespace is already there. So yes, it's a namespace is 1. So wq k apply -f ks pod 1.yaml. So pod is created. Verify that service account token hasn't been mounted into the pod. So we have to verify whether it is mounted on the pod or not. So here it is given that container name service account custom. Here we have to so this was already done. This was already done. So okay. To verify that the token hasn't been mounted on the following commands. So you can check whether the token has been mounted or not. Paste. We have already discussed this thing earlier. So our output is correct and the service account token is not mounted. Here the output is blank, means it confirms that the new service account volume is mounted in the pod. So this is the result. So let us check whether we have done successful. So validation is successful. So here not much thing, simply one line is added and things are done. So thank you so much for your love and support, and we'll meet in next exercise, which is 36. We are doing it reverse. So when you click CKS exercise, from last we have started now, and now it is this is the 37 service account token mounting, and then after we'll see secret service account pod, create a pod with a service account that uses secret. So this will check tomorrow. So thank you so much for your love and support once again.